Hello everyone, Earl Henderson, Primordial Defense. Thank you for watching. I have an unboxing video, or unpackaging video I guess you could say, of a product from Zero9 holsters. So I have updated the body camera. I was using the Axon Body 1 and I've upgraded to the Axon Body 2. When I got this, the mount it came with just didn't work for me. So I decided to get a new mount. I actually got two different mounts. Interestingly enough, when I tried to get on Axon's website to order a mount from them, I wasn't able to sign into my account for some reason. And being the impatient person that I am, I decided to get one from Zero9 holsters. And also, because I couldn't get signed in to my account, I had started looking at eBay, and the mounts on there were stupid expensive. I mean, they were listed very, very high, and I said, "Oh crap!" So that's one of the reasons why I got on Zero9 holsters website. I got on there and ordered their product, and then I was actually able to get back into my Axon account, and I ended up ordering a mount from them as well. So I ended up getting two mounts. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you the Zero9 holster mount. So the package, pretty basic. You get one of their stickers and a thank you for your purchase. Follow us on social media at Zero9 holsters. If your case has ride height adjustment, radio case, pistol max, etc., to fix attachment. All right, so these are just kind of like broad instructions for stuff. All right, so this is the camera holder. The mounting options, I went with the Molly mounting option. You could also get Tech Lock, but I didn't want the Tech Lock since I'm going to be affixing this to my vest, and my vest has Molly attachments on there. So these will just click into place, and then the case itself right here holds the camera. Now, the camera Body 2 from Axon uses what they call the rapid lock system, which is how it normally attaches to mounts and stuff. So it has this little swivel thing on the back, which you don't need the swivel mount to make it fit inside this case, obviously. But it fits in there pretty snug. It clicks in. I don't know where the exact retentioning piece is at. Like what makes it passively lock into place. I don't know, but you hear it click in though. Yeah. Whew, all right, so it finally came out. I mean, that was, no one's going to pick you up by your ankles and shake your milk money out of your pocket. So I don't see that being an issue. Can't even get it to do it again. So it's in there pretty good. I don't see this thing coming out you know, just from running or anything. I mean, it's in there, so it's not going to be going anywhere. And I like that. I was a little unsure at first. I wasn't really sure what to expect, especially with the thing in the back here, the little rapid lock swivel thing. I didn't know how that was going to be getting in the way or not, but yeah, this thing, it's in there. And all right, so that one time I got it out, subsequent times not. So one thing I do like about the dual MOLLE is it's going to be more of a stable platform on the vest, whereas this going into one MOLLE loop, it'll kind of do that motion a whole lot on the vest. I mean, it stays in place, but it does have more wiggle, I guess you could say. With this, I feel like there's going to be less wiggle. It's going to be more solidly anchored to the vest. Now, this is only for the body 2. It's not supposed to be for the body 1, but just because I'm curious, I'm going to see what it does when I try to put it in there. Oh. All right. So it'll go in there, but it's obviously wobbly. And they don't even make a mount for the body 1. The body 1s aren't really widely in service anymore. Some places still have them, but they've been kind of predominantly replaced with the body 2s and the body 3s. If it was just a little bit bigger, I think it would work, but it's obviously only for the body 2. And obviously, as you know, the body 3 is shaped a lot different, so the body 3 wouldn't fit in this, but they do make a mount for the body 3. So if you rock the body 3 at work, then this is an option for you. The only, I guess, downside, the only negative thing about this is the length of the MOLLE things right here, sticking so far down below the mount. I had seen from Axon, some of their rapid lock mounts had stuff like that that would stick up high and also stick down low, and I didn't really like that. And of course, with the body 1 that I've got, the case I had for it had a little clip on there, and that's what I wanted. I wanted to get something else like that because I've been so used to it. So I ended up getting this guy, and I like it. It works well. It hides neatly, I guess you could say, on the vest. All you see really is the camera sticking right there. But I don't like the wobbliness sometimes of it, and this I feel like is gonna take out that wobble. So I'm gonna try this out for a while, see how much more I like it. You can still obviously hit the event button. It's a little bit more recessed and makes it, I don't know if it's gonna make this it's gonna make it harder to depress. And one thing I have noticed with my rifle, and I've done this twice now, when I've got my rifle out and I bring it in close to my body, the rifle I've had press up against the event button and then make it stop recording. And with this, I feel like that would help prevent accidental turnoffs, but I'm also have this very small slight concern that when I reach up, because there is such a smaller window, so to speak, and it covers up some of the event button, I slightly wonder if that will create a problem when reaching up to hit it and hit record, because it does cover some of the event button. As you can see, I just reach up anywhere and hit it, but once it's in there, like you for sure have to get in that spot to hit the record on there. So I'm gonna try this out, see how I like it, and I'm gonna do an update on this in the next month or so, kind of report back on my whole thoughts on the whole thing. If you like what you hear and see, go ahead and give me a like and a share. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Earl Henderson, Primordial Defense, thank you for watching.